Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to recover permanently deleted Snapchat account. I once tried logging back into Snapchat after taking a
Yeah.
break and realized the account was completely gone. If that ever happens to you, the first thing I try is reaching out through Snapchat support, open a browser, search for Snapchat support, and went straight to their help page. From there, scroll down until you find a contact us option. This is where Snapchat lets you submit a request if you're having trouble accessing your account. Inside the support form, you'll usually choose something like I can't access my account or I think my account is compromised. After selecting that, you'll be asked to provide details such as your username, the email link to the account, and the phone number you used when signing up. There's also a space where you can explain what happened, like if the account was deactivated and you forgot to reactivate it in time. Once you submit the request, Snapchat support team reviews it and may contact you if recovery is possible. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.